Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's AJ. So this video is all about skincare, the toners I have and the best toners which I thought I should share it with you as well. तो मैं इस वीडियो में 4 टोनर्स दिखाऊंगी. My top 4 not top 5, top 4 toners of mine which I really like. So let's get into the video and let's show my first toner. That is this TNW, the Natural Wash Cucumber Toner. This is the toner which I have legit used so much. As you can see, this is really nice. This is so hydrating. You can just spray it on your face and it will really hydrate your skin like anything. I've been using this for maybe more than a year now. Yeah, more than a year now. And this is close to expiry. Yeah, this is close to expiry. I've used it so much. So yes, this is my first toner which I've been using. Now the next one is this Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. It contains the ceramide 5000 ppb, nourishing and moisturizing multi-use toner for bouncy mochi like skin. As you know what's mochi, right? So this is the Tony Moly milky toner and I really like it. Just look at its consistency. It's legit watery type consistency, so I really like it, and it's very smooth on skin. As you can see, it's very smooth on skin, so I really like this one also. I have the small bottle of it right now, but it is what it is. I've used it till here. Now the next toner is this Quench Botanics. Quench Botanics is made in Korea, so this is Korean brand which I really love. This is intense brightening essence with cherry blossom radiance, tones, hydrates and rejuvenates skin, enriched with grapefruit and pearl. It's 100 ml bottle and I got it with a kit of Quench Botanics. As you can see, this again, this also has this milky kind of texture, and again it's very lightweight and very smooth on your skin. This also hydrates. I don't know if you can see this, but it hydrates really well and it's very lightweight. So this is also very good, and as you know, Korean brands are really nice, so I've been using this also. Not much because एक एक करके यूज़ करूँगी मैं, but again I've used it I think 5 to 10 times and it's very nice. The next one, I got this from Nykaa Land and this is Yongkang Yul Essence Toner Minimalist Beauty. So this is 200 ml bottle. This is like, I pasted the sticker which they only gave, and its consistency is again gel watery based consistency and it's very hydrating. इसको थोड़ा सा लोगे तो भी देखो, it's just it spreads all over my hand, तो easily spread होता है. तो थोड़ा सा लोगे तो अच्छे से पूरा hydration मिलेगा. I don't know if you can see again in the light hydration, but again it's also lightweight. I really like, I'm a sucker for the lightweight toners or serums or anything, because I really don't like, actually nobody likes the heavy weight on the face. So this is very lightweight again. So these are my top 4 toners which I really like. So these are the 4 brands. I really wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to tell you guys which toner is good. Again, this Yongkang Yul is also a Korean brand, right? This is Yongkang Korean Medicine Skin Laboratory. From that it has been made, maybe. I don't know. It's from 50 years. Oh my god, really nice. And the ingredients are from nature, thoughtfully formulated to. Okay, So this is basically very good on skin. It is made for the sensitive skins, if you want to know this thing, because I know many of us have very sensitive skin, and it's better to not be allergic or something from these things. At least जिनके पास sensitive skins है तो उसके लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल रहता है and to choose the correct toners or the serums or anything on the skin for the skincare. But here I am. I'll be making videos on the best serums also, best cleansers also, best moisturizers. I have thought कि मैं ये videos बनाने वाली हूँ because many people, many friends of mine ask me for such kind of products, which is good, which is not, which is good for the sensitive skin, किस चीज़ के लिए क्या use होता है. So I'll be making that as well. So this first video for toners, मैं CTM सॉरी गलत बोल दिया मैंने. CTM तो प्रोसेस होता है, बट मैंने स्टार्ट कर दिया टोनर से, जबकि क्लेंजर से करना चाहिए था, बट इट्स ओके, राइट. सो या दिस इज़ इट फॉर द वीडियो. And if you want to know the prices, I'll keep that into the description. The prices are also very affordable. अच्छा, मैं अभी बस in the video आपको वैसे बता देती हूँ कि prices क्या है. This TNW, which is the spray one, see, so hydrate. So this one is for 320. I think ये आपको 320 से भी कम में मिल जाएगा. You can find this on the Blinkit as well, on Nykaa and everywhere. मैंने आई थिंक ये ब्लिंकिट से ही मंगवाया था बिकॉज मुझे 10 मिनट्स में चाहिए था. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. थोड़ा रहता है ना कि जल्दी जल्दी मिल जाए बस, ठीक है. तो या इट्स फॉर 320. इसमें जो MRP है, बट आई थिंक यू कैन गेट इट फॉर इवन लेस दैन 320. Right, the next Tony Moly, this is for, I think this was not for sale, that's why it's not written. I got this again, yeah, it's not for sale. मैं इसका लिंक जो डिस्क्रिप्शन में है वो लिंक भी डाल दूँगी मैं इन सबके, एंड प्राइसेस तो आप देख ही लोगे फिर लिंक से, राइट. लेट्स सी फॉर दिस क्वेंच बोटैनिक्स वन. इट्स फॉर 699, बट अगेन आई थिंक यू कैन फाइंड इट ऑन सेल अच्छे से, ठीक है. 699 इज़ MRP, तो आई थिंक इससे थोड़ा तो कम में आपको मिल सकता है. Then this Yungkang Yul. अच्छा, again, okay. इसका प्राइस I'll have to see because ये थोड़ा कोरियन लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है, so I don't know. Again, I'll link everything below and you can go and buy if you want. But yeah, these are all hydrating. अगर आपको चाहिए कि आप maybe दिन में हाइड्रेट करना चाहते हो, आई थिंक यू शुड गो विद दिस स्प्रे वन, दिस TNW. इट्स वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड इट्स रियली नाइस ऑन द स्किन. आप लेजिट बस हाइड्रेट कर सकते हो इसको एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड. सो आई लिंक द put the links in the description. Yeah, don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you are new here, and comment down below which kind of videos on skincare you want. Bye bye.